Good morning, traders. Here is your daily market pulse for Tuesday, May 20th. After Monday's sharp recovery from the US credit downgrade, the market showed surprising strength. NQ hit 21,550 and now is hovering over 21,465. This morning, SPY and QQQ are slightly red, but the bigger trend is still up. ES is considering just under that big psychological level, 6,000. This could be a launch pad for a breakout or a sign of exhaustion. 5,941 is your key support, 59.93 and the 6,000 are resistance. NQ watch 21,320 as a support and 21,550 on the upside. Break above 59.75 with strong internal and tech leadership, we might punch 6,000. But if the ES slips below 59.41 with volume, look for the move towards the 59.12 and Q below 21,300 could be a red flag. After a big bounce, the best read often comes after the market breaths. Don't force it. Let price confirm the next move. Want to see these trades play out live? Join us every morning in the LiveEdge trading room, free for 30 days. Details in the description.